Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to unblock someone on TikTok. So watch this video till the end. First, open up your TikTok app. Then tap on Profile. Once you land on your profile, tap on the three horizontal line that is on the top right corner of your screen. A menu will pop up. Tap on Settings and Privacy. Once you land on Settings and Privacy, tap on Privacy from the Account section. Then scroll downwards until you find Blocked Accounts. Tap on it. Now look for the user you want to unblock, then tap on Unblock icon. That is how you unblock someone on TikTok. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon on our channel so you don't miss our upcoming videos.